Meet dairy farmers Alan and Alice. They have a range of John Deere equipment, and their 6410 series tractor has been a workhorse for years. One morning, Alice has trouble starting the tractor and thinks the starter motor may have failed. She phones her local John Deere dealer to speak with a parts technician, who asks a few questions about the machine and confirms Alice has diagnosed the issue correctly. The tech recommends replacing the starter motor with one from John Deere's range of alternative parts. Alternative parts are a cost-effective choice for John Deere machines, regardless of age. These parts have been manufactured to fit John Deere equipment, meaning the machine can stay up and running at a lower cost, while still giving peace of mind they are backed by a 12-month warranty. Alice agrees with the parts technician that an alternative part would be the best choice for this repair job, given the age of their tractor. She sends Alan to the dealership to pick up the starter motor so they can repair the tractor themselves. John Deere, offering you the right part at the right price. Visit a dealership to find out more.